What's up, guys? Today's video is on the Bazyths Smart Toilet ZY695A review. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started before we get started. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. The Bazyths Smart Toilet ZY695A is a cutting-edge innovation designed to elevate your bathroom experience with a host of advanced features that combine comfort, convenience, hygiene, and efficiency. This smart toilet offers an array of functions that make daily bathroom use easier, more hygienic, and more enjoyable. Whether you're looking for enhanced comfort with heated seats or seeking an eco-friendly option with water-saving technology, the ZY695A promises to meet all your needs. Convenient features for ultimate comfort. One of the standout features of the Bazyths Smart Toilet ZY695A is its automatic opening and closing lid. With this function, you no longer need to touch the lid manually. The toilet automatically opens as you approach, thanks to the built-in radar sensor. When you finish using the toilet and walk away, the lid and seat close automatically after 2 minutes. This feature is not only convenient, but also hygienic, as it minimizes the need to touch surfaces that are often germ-ridden. Another key highlight is the foot operation function. This innovative design allows you to operate the toilet with your foot. You can open or close the seat and flush the toilet using foot sensors, offering a hands-free experience that is both hygienic and practical. Whether you're washing your hands or simply want to avoid touching the toilet seat, this foot sensing technology is an excellent addition for convenience and cleanliness. For a more comfortable bathroom experience, the Bazyths ZY695A comes with several luxurious features, including a heated seat and instant warm water. The heated seat ensures comfort during cold winter months, while the instant warm water feature guarantees that you'll never have to endure a cold splash during cleaning. The toilet also offers both front and rear cleaning with a bidet function, making it an ideal solution for anyone seeking a more hygienic alternative to traditional toilet paper. Furthermore, the warm air dryer adds an extra level of convenience, eliminating the need for toilet paper altogether. In addition to its luxurious comfort features, the ZY695A is also designed to be efficient and eco-friendly. With its water-saving flush system, it uses only 1.03 gallons per flush, significantly reducing water consumption compared to traditional toilets. This not only helps save money on water bills, but also contributes to environmental sustainability. Finally, the nightlight and LED display provide added functionality and ease of use. The nightlight illuminates the bathroom during low-light conditions, preventing accidents and making nighttime trips to the bathroom more comfortable. The LED display allows you to easily monitor and control various settings, such as water temperature, seat heating, and bidet functions, all with the included remote control. Built-in tank and no water pressure limit. One of the most innovative aspects of the Bazyths Smart Toilet ZY695A is its built-in tank design, which addresses a common issue with many modern toilets: low or unstable water pressure. With the built-in tank, the ZY695A is capable of operating under zero water pressure conditions, making it suitable for a wide range of homes, including those with low water pressure. This feature ensures that the toilet functions reliably and consistently, regardless of the water pressure in your plumbing system. In addition to solving water pressure issues, the built-in tank also enhances the flushing system by reducing noise. Traditional toilets can often be loud during flushing, but the ZY695A operates with significantly less noise, providing a quieter, more peaceful experience. This makes it ideal for households where noise reduction is a priority, especially in bathrooms that are close to bedrooms or other quiet spaces. Independent dual waterway design. Another impressive feature of the Bazyths Smart Toilet ZY695A is its independent dual waterway design. The bidet waterway and flush waterway are completely separate, ensuring that there is no risk of cross-contamination between the water used for flushing and the water used for cleaning. This design ensures a higher level of hygiene and reliability, making the toilet more sanitary and safe for daily use. The independent waterway system ensures that you can enjoy bidet functions, such as front and rear washing, without worrying about contamination from the flushing system. This thoughtful design prioritizes cleanliness and guarantees that each function operates in its own sealed water pathway, providing peace of mind with every use. Automatic radar sensing lid. The Bazyths Smart Toilet ZY695A features an automatic radar sensing lid, which opens when it detects your presence. This feature is particularly useful in high-traffic bathrooms, as it removes the need for touching the toilet lid to open it. Once you've finished using the toilet and walked away, the lid and seat will automatically close within 2 minutes, ensuring that the toilet is always ready for the next user without the need for manual intervention. Affordable price. Despite offering a wide range of premium features, the Bazyths Smart Toilet ZY695A is available at an affordable price of $599 for Prime members. This price point makes it an exceptional value, as it combines advanced technology, comfort, hygiene, and water-saving features at a fraction of the cost of many other high-end smart toilets. The ZY695A offers a rare combination of affordability and performance, making it an excellent choice for those who want to upgrade their bathroom experience without breaking the bank. The Bazyths Smart Toilet ZY695A is a top-of-the-line product that offers a comprehensive suite of features aimed at enhancing your bathroom experience.